Let me be the first to say my garage does not suck. Okay, it's full of Porsches, and I'm sorry. I just had to do that little flex. That's bad of me, but I did the work. You should do the work. You should get your own Porsche. I do recommend it. So nice to have the car fixed. And you know what? I learned something really weird. I'll share a little tidbit for those who are Porsche 997 enthusiasts. I did not replace the factory stereo. So this factory stereo has a setting in it. So inside, you can set the preset for several things. Running lights, the wiper, the climate control, how the car locks and unlocks. But the most important one, this one is I'm super excited about. And under climate control memory. So I set it to every time I start the car to revert the AC to 68 degrees in auto. So if I turn it off because I'm driving with the windows down, it sets it back. So that's pretty amazing. Now, is that worth throwing that away to have Bluetooth? I don't know, but what if someone set it for you, now you can't change it? And now every time you get in the car, you have to fiddle with the AC. Or I guess you could set it to not remember, and then it would be kind of like a normal car. But no, I like it where it turns on at 68 degrees every time, so if the car's in the shade or whatnot. That's just me. Just thought I would share. Let's take our run down to the beach and check out the surf. It should be pretty awesome. I know, when we're gonna do an adventure in the white car, we need to see how fast it is and take it from more drives, but for now, yeah, we're gonna enjoy this one all the way down to the beach. Got to put as much miles on it as we can, because why? We're planning to sell it, and got to be sure it's all sorted and running good. If I can put 1,000 miles on it worry-free, I think I'll be happy to sell it to someone, because they'll probably do another 1,000 or 3,000 worry-free before they have to do anything. And that'll make me feel better when I go to sell it. If I sell it. It looks pretty good, yeah? Okay, not quite at Sandy Beach. Stopping at the blowhole. We'll see if we can get some footage of that. So. Here we are at the blowhole. Yeah, we'll go down to Sandy's. I just stopped because I wanted to show you the blowhole. Kids used to like play in it. It was crazy. They don't anymore, or at least I don't know about it. I know, finally made it. Oh, it's so beautiful. Can't believe it's gonna be a hurricane tomorrow. As I'm down here, the waves aren't that big. I'm kind of disappointed. Yeah, I was expecting it to be like crushing, and it's not. It's 1 to 3. I could bodyboard that. Come on outside. What car is this white one?
Porsche.
Yeah, okay, what about the black one here? Go over to the black one.
The black one says the word Golf on it. It's also a Porsche. It's a Porsche too. The Porsche 911.
911, very good. Which one is better, the white one or the black one?
I think black one.
The-
I like stickers on it more. than the
It's
plain.
official, stickers make it better. I've heard stickers add more horsepower, so now that it has the stickers on it, it's going to be faster, so we're going to rerun the speed run, but not today. We should go for a burger run
What's burger one?
where you get in a Porsche and you find a place to get a hamburger or cheeseburger that's far away.
Oh, I would want to do that.
Okay, that sounds good. We'll do that.
I would do it right now.
So we'll do some research on the computer and see what places have good hamburgers, and we'll get a daddy burger.
Yeah. And a Kainoa burger. I know that one. A Kainoa 911 burger?
A Kainoa 911 burger.
Yeah, I know that one.
Yeah.
A Daddy 911 burger.